The NPP-led MDA government held its first cabinet meeting in Tura, outside the capital city Shillong, in the Garo Hills on Monday, a decision which was taken last month with an objective of taking governance closer to the people government. Tura notably is also the Chief Minister's hometown. It is the state's second largest city and lies in the western part of the state. Kondra had until recently represented Tura Lok Sabha constituency, which was once held by his father and former Lok Sabha Speaker P.A. Sangma, and is now represented by his sister Agatha Sangma.
But these meetings allows us to at least remove those bottlenecks, and it gives them a more realistic idea about how to create better policies. I'm always of the belief, and I've always said this, that we cannot do governance just by sitting in Shillong. But in order to ensure that good governance goes in, we must get our hands dirty, as I always say. We must go down to the field. We must see what the people are feeling. We must understand and hear from the people what really the problem is. And then I'm sure we can come up with better policies that will ensure that better governance takes place and more development will reach the people.
At the cabinet meeting, MDA government cleared 5 policies for the state during its first ever meeting in Tura, with utmost significance being the Meghalaya Community Participation and Public Service Social Audit Services Rule of 2017 that empowers citizens to ensure their entitlement reach them. In conformity to the amendment of central rules to right to education, the cabinet has approved the amendment of Meghalaya Rights of Children to Free and Compulsory Education 2011. The Department of C&RD had sought approval for the draft rules to the original act, and the cabinet has approved the proposed draft rules. The cabinet, through the program implementation department, decided to aggressively implement further systematic review of department in every district. The cabinet has approved proposal on solid waste management by Urban Affairs Department Solid Waste Management Policy. On Meghalaya Startup Policy 2018, it has approved the proposal to help young and talented entrepreneurs of the state. Meghalaya State Policy 2018, the cabinet approved after fine-tuning all aspects of the policy.
Taking stock of all the different kind of resources that are there in the state, and this has been mandated by Government of India. So we have decided that there will be state level committee that will be formed. The state level committee will co-opt experts into it, and then accordingly we will engage the different districts and the DCs and committees at district level to make this district survey report happen.
Riding on its success of Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma Cabinet on Move initiative, it has decided that the next cabinet meeting is going to be held in July. Despite political criticism, Preston Tenzin, Meghalaya's Deputy Chief Minister, said the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government will continue to hold cabinet meetings in different districts of the state.
Few critics were there who honestly said that why cabinet has to be held in Tura. But let me tell you very clearly, this decision taken by our Honorable Chief Minister, taken by the government, MDA government, is for the benefit of each and everyone in the state of Meghalaya.
Tenzin said that the decision have been taken by the Chief Minister for the welfare of the common people.
The next cabinet meeting will be held in July, because ultimately, as I said to you, people will be blessed by having a cabinet meeting to each and every district headquarters of our state.
The Deputy Chief Minister claimed that holding cabinet meetings in different districts would mean taking the government closer to the people. With Prakash, Shillong.